Hey guys, so in this video we're going to test all the gauges that they actually are accurate and reading correctly. So inside Vcds we go into instrumentation, we let it scan, we go down to output test, and now we're going to press do it. Now it's going to do a full sweep, come back to set figures. So this should read exactly at 3000 RPM, which it does. Next one should read exactly vertical at 90 degrees Celsius, which it does. This is exactly at half a tank, it does. And this one is exactly at 100 kilometers or 62 miles an hour, which it is. So my gauges are reading correctly. So sometimes you will notice that your gauge will just be slightly out, and if you don't know whether your gauges are reading correctly or not, it's a really handy test to do.